Replacing dumpster bottoms can be tricky when you have dumpsters of all shapes and sizes. Standard size prefabricated bottoms often don't fit, and getting a custom sized bottom to fit these odd sized dumpsters can be pricey and take weeks to get, leaving an unused asset in your yard collecting more rust. Introducing the new Impact Bottom Slider Kits. With Impact Slider Kits, we have a solution to repair those odd-sized dumpsters quickly and cost-effectively. Impact Slider Kits telescope together to create a custom-sized prefabricated bottom. Simply measure the dumpster in need of repair, assemble the two slider kit pieces together, and slide them together until they match the dimensions of the dumpster. Then, weld the bottom together. Slider kits include the 1.5 by 3 inch rails to complete the bottom. Impact Slider Kits assemble in under 15 minutes and are ready for you to install using the same method as you would for a standard prefabricated bottom. If you have odd-sized dumpsters in need of repair, try an Impact Bottom Slider Kit today to see how quick and easy it is to get your assets back in the field generating income. Slider kits come in a variety of sizes to cover dumpsters between 3 and 8 yards. For more information or pricing, contact Impact today.